This is Chris Dyer, Small Business Sales Specialist in North Carolina for the FCA Group. This video will review how dealers can pull their commercial truck season private offer recipient list from the BusinessLink Dealer Leads System. To do this, begin by logging in to DealerConnect and clicking on the Sales tab. Scroll down to the Small Business Sales section and click on the BusinessLink Dealer Leads System. This will open up an additional tab where you will then click the Continue button under the BusinessLink Lead Management Portal section. This will bring you to your BusinessLink Dealer Leads System dashboard. To access the leads and search for the commercial truck season private offer recipients, click on the Leads tab. Once under the Leads tab, you will then go to the Marketing Target Type dropdown and select Commercial Truck Season Targets. Click the Search button and your leads will be populated below. Now the best practice is to then click the Export to Excel button, which will bring all of these leads into an easy-to-read Excel file. Open the file and you'll see that this list, compared to the list that is posted on Marketing Planner, has significantly more information. In particular, scroll all the way to the far right, and this will detail all the information that we have on those customers. So, for example, in this case, the first customer not only received a $500 private offer, but also has been Chrysler Capital scored, meaning that they received a pre-approved $125,000 line of credit, and they're a member of the National Association of Home Builders, meaning that vehicles purchased would qualify for the additional $500 association bonus cash. Make sure to take some time to go through this process and share this list with your commercial sales department to ensure that as they reach out to these private offer recipients, you're tailoring the conversation to their specific situation. And reach out to your local small business sales specialist with any questions. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this video.